Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'm going to be creating this look using the new OPV eyeshadow palette. And I decided to go for like a halo sandwich look. And I really hope you guys enjoy this look. So by this point, I already primed my lid and I use MAC Painterly Paint Pot. And I'm applying my transition shade at the moment. And I'm applying the yellow shade in the palette. And I'm applying it with the Morphe R38 brush. Next, I'll be applying the orangey brown shade, and I'm going to be applying this also with the Morphe R38 brush, and I'm also applying it on the crease but a little bit below where I applied the yellow shade because I don't want to cover that shade up. And I'm just blending that out and just adding more definition to the crease. Now with the Morphe R39, I'm applying the cranberry shade to the inner and outer parts of the eye. Like I said, I'm going for a halo or sandwich eye. Now I'm applying the gold eyeshadow on the middle or the center of the lid, and I'm applying it with my finger because I feel that it applies better like this. So at first I'm applying it with my finger, then I'm going to go over with the Morphe R37 and just start blending it out just to avoid any harsh edges between the cranberry shade and the gold shade. And then I'll just be using my finger and the brush back and forth until I get to the point that I like the pigmentation it has. So I apply my wing liner, which is MAC Black Track, and the lashes I went with are by Morphe in Hollywood Hills. So now I'm going back with the yellow shade and I'm applying it to my lower lash line, and I'm applying it with the Morphe R41 pencil brush. And next with the Morphe R43, I'm also applying the same shades that I used on my eyelid. I'm applying them on the lower lash line, which is cranberry shade, and then after that I'll be going back with the pencil brush and I'll be applying the brownish yellowish shade, and I'm just going to blend those three shades together just to add more like a smokiness effect on my lower lash line. So this completes the look. I apply mascara to my bottom lashes, and I really hope you guys enjoy these simple looks. I know that my looks are very simple, but I feel that these are easy to recreate. So let me know what you guys think, and I'll see you guys very soon on my next video. Thank you guys so much for watching.